original design of the aircraft, the initial intent was to track schools of tuna for commercial fishermen.
Insitu first deployed at sea in the early 2000s, and from that point on we have slowly progressed onto many different platforms, different size ships, in different areas around the world.
I think the level of experience that Insitu has in a maritime environment is important to our customers because it shows them that we have the ability to accomplish their missions. Basically, we can support them in what they want to do.
The most fulfilling thing is being a part of something that's much larger than I am, being able to go out and doing things that actually make a difference, not only in my life or my family's life, but on the whole, you're helping a lot of people out.
The different types of ships that we can operate on range all the way from 18-meter fishing vessels through 277-meter resupply ships. We really have a system that is extremely versatile that allows us to operate on any number of sizes of vessels.
Launches in a maritime environment are very unique due to the fact that the ship, of course, is able to produce its own winds. So we're able to launch on port or starboard side, which gives our customer a lot of versatility as far as not having to turn the ship in different headings.
The way we maintain a clear flight deck during unmanned operations is the small footprint of our ground support equipment. So our unmanned aircraft perform in the maritime environment with the unique capability of being able to capture on a single line on a wing hook. This gives us the capability of never having to fly directly at the ship, being always offline from the ship, and never posing any risk to the ship or its crew.
A hub is a central location where all launch and recovery operations take place. A spoke would be a remote system that is positioned somewhere at an extended range from the hub. The biggest thing that allows us to do is extend our range. Basically, we can launch from one ship and hand off to a system on another ship. We can also launch from land to a ship. We can launch from a ship and fly to a land spoke.
But one of the unique aspects of ScanEagle is being able to provide a situational awareness to our boarding teams and to the ship. While the boarding team may be approaching the starboard side of a vessel, they can actually see what's going on the port side of the vessel.
Decision-making superiority means that we can provide a service to the customer that's real-time, so that they can take this information, make decisions, or pass it to higher up so that those decisions can be made, which provides a level of security not only to our forces that are actually on the vessel, but that are on the smaller vessels out doing patrols.